Hello friends, this is third part of how to make online examination system in PHP with MySQL database, and in this part we will proceed for admin registration. In previous part, we have discussed how to check particular admin email address already exists in our database, by using Parsley custom validator. For admin registration part, first we have go to register.php file, and here we have go to jQuery code part. Here we have write $with form ID admin registration form, with on method, and under this we have write submit event, with callback function. Under this, we have first write, event.prevent default method, it will stop to reload web page. After this, we have write $with text box ID admin email address with attribute method, and under this we have write required, so it will add this required attribute in this text box field. For validate proper email address format, here we have write $with text box ID admin email address, with attribute method. And under this method, we have set data parsley type property set to email, so it will check email address is proper format or not, using Parsley form validation library. Now, we have write $with text box ID admin password with attribute method, and under this we have write required, so it will add this required attribute in this text box field. And same way for confirm password text box, here we have write $with text box ID confirm admin password with attribute method, and under this we have write required, so it will add this required attribute in this text box field. Now we want to check value of password field value, with confirm password field. For this here we have write $with text box ID, with attribute method. Under this method, we have write data parsley equal to property, set to ID of password text box admin password, so this property will match value of password, with confirm password field value. If this both value not match, then it will display validation error. Now for check form data validation, here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $with form ID admin register form. With parsley method, with is valid method, if form data is valid, then it will proceed for submit form data to server, using AJAX request. Under this block, we have write AJAX request, with first option URL set to AJAX action.php file, it will send request to file. In second option, we have write method, here we can define form data submit method, here we have use post method, for submit form data to server. In third option, we have write data, and here we have write $this, with serialize method, it will convert form data into URL encoded string. For define data type, here we have write data type option, and here we have write JSON, so it will receive data in JSON format. In fifth option, we have write before send callback function, This function will be called before AJAX request has been sent. Under this function, we have write $with button ID admin register, with attribute method, and here we have set disabled property true, so it will disable submit button, for prevent to insert double data. After this, we have write $with submit button ID, admin register with value method, and under this we have write please wait, it will change button text. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write data.success. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $with span tag ID message, with HTML method, and under this we have write message like please check your email. This message will be displayed on web page. For reset form field, here we have write $with form ID admin register form, with 0 index.reset method, it will reset all form field. Same way we want to remove parsley style from form field. For this here we have write form ID admin register form, with parsley method, .reset method, it will remove parsley style from all form field. For enable submit button, here we have write $with button ID admin register, with attribute method, and under this we have set disabled property to false. And for change submit button text, here we have write button ID admin register, with value method, and under this, we have write register, so this text will be displayed on submit button. Now we have go to ajax action.php file, and here we have write require one statement, with path of PHP mailer class. This class we will use for send email. After this, we have write $current date time variable is equal to PHP data function. It will store current date and time under this variable. Now here we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $post action variable value is equal to register. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $admin verification code variable is equal to MD5 function, with random function, it will generate email verification code. Below this, we have write $receiver email variable is equal to $post admin email address variable. Here we have store admin email address under this variable. Now we have write $email object with data variable is equal to array. In first key, we have write $admin email address, with value $receiver email variable. In second key, we have write $admin password, with value password hash function, with two argument like $post admin password variable, and password default. it will convert simple password text to hash formatted string. In third key, we have write $admin verification code, with value like $admin verification code variable. In fourth key, we have write $admin type, with value like submaster. And in last key, we have write $admin created on, with value like $current date time variable, so this way we have store data in this $exam object data variable, in array format. Now we have write $exam object, with query variable is equal to, insert into admin table, with table column like, admin email address, admin password, admin verification code, admin type, and admin created on. With values like admin email address, admin password, admin verification code, admin type, and admin created on, this insert query will store admin registration data under this admin table. For execute query, we have write $exam object with execute query method, it will execute above insert query. Now we have go to examination class, and here we have make one send email function, with 3 argument like, $receiver email, $subject, and $body variable. Under this function, we want to create object of PHP mailer class, so we have write $mail variable is equal to, new PHP mailer class. After this, we start writing PHP mailer configuration for send email, so we have write $mail object with is SMTP method. This method sets mailer to send message using SMTP credential. Below this, we have write $mail object with host is equal to, host of your email SMTP. After define host server, now we have again write $mail object with port is equal to 587. Here we have define SMTP server port. Now we have write $mail object, with SMTP auth is equal to true. Here we have define SMTP authentication is like username and password is required for send email. Below this, we have write $mail object with username is equal to SMTP username. Here you have to define your SMTP username, if you have then write here. After define username, now we have write $mail object with password, here you have to define your SMTP password. Then after we have write $mail object with SMTP secure is equal to blank. Here you can write SSL or TSL if you have otherwise leave blank. Now we have again write $mail object with from option, and here we can define email from which you have received email, so here we have write info@webslesson.info. Below this, we have write $mail object with from name is equal to, info@webslesson.info. Here we have sets from name of the message, and this name will be viewed to receiver. Now we want to set receiver email address, So here we have write $mail object with add address method with 2 argument. In first we have write $receiver email variable, and in second argument we have write blank. So this way we have set receiver information. Below this, we have again write $mail object with is HTML method with argument true. Here we have set message type to HTML, otherwise this email format will be plain text. Now we want to define subject of email, so we have write $mail object with subject is equal to $subject variable. Here we have defined dynamic value of email subject. And lastly, in email configuration, we want to define email body, so we have write $mail object with body is equal to $body variable, so this way we have set dynamic email body. For send email, here we have write $mail object with send method, it will send email. Now we have go to Ajax action.php file, and here we have write $subject variable is equal to online examination registration verification. Below it, we have write $body variable is equal to text like thank you for registering. After this, we have write text like this is a verification email. Please click the link to verify your email address by clicking this link. Here in anchor tag, we have write href is equal to $exam object with home page variable, and after this, we have write verify email.php, question mark. Type is equal to master, and code is equal to $admin verification code, so here we have build dynamic link, for verify email address, after registration. For send email, here we have write $exam object, with send email method, with 3 argument like, $receiver email, $subject variable and $body variable. After sending of email, we want to send response to Ajax, so here we have write $output variable is equal to success key, with value true. And for send response to Ajax request in JSON format, here we have write echo statement, with JSON encode method, with $output variable, so here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see admin registration form on web page, with all form field, and register button. First we have click on submit button. After click on submit button, here on web page we can see validation error, has been display using Parsley JavaScript library. In previous part, we have seen unique email address validation using Parsley JavaScript library custom validator, so here we have entered directly unique email address. After this, in password field we have enter password, and in confirm password field, we have enter password 123. Now we have click on submit button. After click on submit button, here we can see validation error like, password value not match with confirm password field value. So, in confirm password field, we have enter password, and click on Register button. After click on Register button, here we can see success message like, please check email. So, first we have go to admin table, and here we can see admin registration data, we can see here, and here password has been converted into hash format. After this, we have go to email inbox, and here we can registration confirmation, so by click on this link admin email will be confirmed. So, this admin email verification process, we will discuss in next part. If you have some suggestion regarding this PHP-based online examination system, you can comment in comment box. If you want to learn this system, please stay connected with us.